Stuart does when he gets to the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is his name again?
Stuart.
Stuart.
That's me.
Yes. Thanks, Stuart.
Yeah.
What? You know, your
Oh,
shirt.
look, his feet, because I was a struggle. I need to put one foot and then my knee to block my other foot.
You missed this foot here.
Also, when I block at my foot with my knee, it less strength on my arms because he's very strong.
Look at what he's doing when he's at the top here.
So foot is out, but you say to me, put it inside, yeah?
And he's reaching all the way back.
Very gentle, so he didn't come here now, I see it, yes, because, okay. I went too much to the left.
Can you see where the hold is?
Yes, with the left,
Yeah,
yes?
with the left.
Farther in.
Yeah.
Once you get this little crack at the back here,
Right, I'll go and set up.
it's okay, there are foot.
You say, sir?
Yes,